Departing Port Dickson, heading to Penang today. We've just cast off. It's just after 3 in the afternoon, and it's going to be 2 nights to Penang, non-stop. Going to go away from the coast to avoid the fishing nets and hazards, and then to hang out in Penang for a few days.
See the black slime in the air. Fort Dickson. And this is what settles on the boat when it rains. This discoloration.
Welcome to Penang.
Man, that was a rough night. You didn't video any of it, did we?
I did not film anything. I couldn't do anything. It was a little wild. This entrance is a little wild. Just trying to figure it out. It's quite shallow. Instructions aren't super duper clear. There's this breakwater that we don't know why it's there. That's our spot. It's pretty protected in here. Fort Cornwallis was built by Francis Light of the British East India Company in the late 18th century. Originally a simple wooden stockade, over time Fort Cornwallis evolved into a stone bastion fort. Its purpose was to protect the settlement from pirates and rival colonial powers, as well as be a safe haven along the British East India Company's trade routes.
Of the class is known as a 32-pounder cannon because of the weight of the cannonball loaded into this thing.
So these cannons are big ones, 32 pounders. They were placed on the beach, and the smaller ones over here would have been mounted on the walls. So they would fly code flags to communicate messages to people in the fort, and also the town. They'd look up to see what ships were arriving or leaving.
So where is the fort? You are in the fort. Mainly because of the material, it was cast or built of brass, a combination of zinc and copper. And you'll be surprised by the age of this cannon. Okay, over here, this is the year it was built. You have to see to believe it. Which year?
1603.
Yeah, so today this cannon is 431.
Wow.
So its origin, this is the old symbol of the trading company, VOC, which nation? Okay, never mind. Look at this, the name of the gun founder, Jan
Jan Burger.
Bergenhuis.
That's the Dutch. That's the Dutch East India Company.
Yeah.
So these slots, it actually opens inside and connects to the next one for airflow, so the gunpowder would have a bit of air, but not too much to get moist or damp.
Three different.
Statue of Francis Light, founder of Fort Cornwallis. In the beginning, the population of Georgetown was very sparse and resources were limited. Francis Light devised a plan to attract people by offering them land to settle on. This brought Chinese, Indians, and Malaysians to the area. Light asked each community to establish and govern itself, and to nominate what you would call a chief or a mayor. They all settled across what is now known as Penang's Street of Harmony, where stands a Buddhist temple, a mosque, a Hindu temple, and an Anglican church, which are within a stone's throw of each other. Talk about a cultural melting pot.
So it kind of looks right now like the wait to get on one of the trains to go up is maybe 2 hours.
2-hour wait. So we're gonna do the trail. Penang Hill hike. We're getting our steps in today. No, but he's a big critter.
Cool.
Oh no!
He wants to get off the path, but he can't because of the water. There. I can help him.
Oh my gosh, Kevin.
I'm gonna help him.
The brave soul.
No, it's sticky too short. There, this guy. Ready?
Oh! Oh no!
He gets stuck in the
Yeah, he's in there. It's really muggy, humid. The rain has eased off, which is great. These steps are like huge. Up and up we go. There are dogs. People live up here.
Yeah.
Bit of hillside agriculture.
Looks like some formal work just kind of got washed out.
Yeah. First monkey sighting. The reward at the top. Temple at the top of the hill. This looks Hindu. Biosphere Reserve. Gonna go see some creatures. Walk in the canopy. So calamansi lime and kaffir lime is used in a lot of curries, the leaves especially, and you can see people have picked all the leaves off of this guy. But this is what they look like.
The thunder is ominous.
Yes, there is ominous thunder in the distance. We should probably get going.
Maybe it's a frog.
I don't know. Maybe it is. I'm thinking small, yeah, small land animals. Hello, cutie monkey. Monkeys are getting sassy. He just jumped across the path, almost on top of a lady. He's looking at you, Kevin.
Oh my god, he looks terrifying.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it is.
So cute, so many. We're gonna go to the viewing platform up there. Dun, 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 dun. .360 view of Penang from up here. So as you walk around, you can see both sides. That's like Georgetown behind me there.
Anyway, apparently on a clear day you can see as far as Langkawi, which is pretty far. Like 100 kilometers.
Yeah. Today there is thunder over there. Whew.
The yellow gesture.
So you guys saw the dusky monkey? I know something. He's so pretty. Yeah, you can see how flexible it is. It will feed upside down. Little pitcher plants. Cliffside Cafe. Really tasty food. And drinks. Yeah?
And the price is right.
Price is right. And now we're gonna take the train. Another food court. I love food courts here. 7 ringgit for this, which is like $2 Canadian. What you got there?
It's supposed to be a chicken pot pie, but there's actually no crust.
No crust.
And like they give a bun on top of the chicken soup. It's just a lid on a soup.
They're amazing. It's been really lumpy in here. I don't know why, but the swell kind of comes in and then Saoirse bounces all over the place. And I guess there's a hole in the breakwater here, so water can actually come in and out from the other side. And that contributes to the swell. So we've doubled up our fenders because they were getting squished a lot. But all is well with Saoirse. And now we're going for dinner. We're gonna check out tomorrow and then leave the next day. And that's if the weather holds up. It's been squally and lightning and not nice wind and waves. So I'm not sure. We may actually have to wait another day. We'll see what it looks like. Here it comes. It's so squally here. This barge is stuck on the rocks. They're doing land reclamation stuff, and the weather not very nice right now. The waves are up, and these guys are stuck. Dragging his belly. I wonder if the concrete feels warm.
Or cool.